If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat code SS06, you've come to the right place. So in order to do it, we just simply need to open our Snapchat. And as you can see, everything is working as for me, but you won't be able to log in because of some suspicious activity or something like this. And in order to fix this problem, we need to follow two steps I'll show in this video. So firstly, open your App Store or Google Play, and here search for Snapchat. It's really important. So we need to open an official page of the app and make sure that you have the latest version here. So if you have like update button, you need to update it to the latest version, as I did now. So only if you are on the latest version, you'll be able to fix this problem. It's really important. The next thing we need to do is that we need to close the App Store and then just open settings on your device. So on the iPhone it looks like this. We need to scroll down to find Snapchat settings, so we need to manage it for a little. We need to turn on background app refresh, the last line in allow Snapchat to access. So as you can see, we need to turn this function on. And that's almost everything you need to do, but you also need to find general right up here and then go to iPhone storage. So on the Android, this folder may look a little bit different, but you also need to find it because we need to manage something in Snapchat storage settings. So it may take a little, depends on your data and storage. So maybe 5 to 10 seconds. And here we need to find basically Snapchat app. We need to open it. And basically here we have two options, offload or delete. We need to click on offload and then just offload app. And as you can see, it will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So we'll be able to log in. And now instead of offload, we have like reinstall option. So we need to click on reinstall, and after that wait until a Snapchat app will be downloaded to our device. After that we'll be able to fix this problem and we'll be able to log in into our account, or we can easily create a new account on Snapchat. So this is a way of how to fix a Snapchat code SS06. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.